Hi kids! Let's count from 1 to 10. Are you ready for the fun? Let's start our today's learning.
1. There's one sun in the sky.
Can you say one sun?
2. Look, two birds flying together.
Can you count 1, 2?
3. There are 3 stars in the night sky.
3 stars.
4. There are 4 balloons in the air.
Can you say 4 balloons?
5. There are 5 apples on the tree.
Can you say 5 apples?
6. There are 6 flowers in the garden.
Can you say 6 flowers?
7. There are 7 cars on the road.
Can you say 7 cars?
8. There are 8 ice cream in a row.
Can you say 8 ice cream?
9. There are 9 pencils in a box.
Can you say 9 pencils?
10. There are 10 fishes in the sea.
Can you say 10 fish? Great job! You counted so well! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing and fun content. Thanks!